Hi, it is Haru from HarusKitchen. There is still a lot of udon I made in the last video, so today I will make deep fried udon and kamage spicy cut raw udon. Both dishes are so easy to cook and taste so good. They are my recommendation. The link of the video in which I explain how to make homemade udon is in the description. The main ingredients are only udon and mentaiko, which means spicy cut raw. I will start with deep fried udon. For good texture, the temperature of the oil is very important. Make sure to keep it at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. If it is too low, they will turn out to be not crispy and delicious. When the temperature of the oil hits the appropriate point, add the udon noodles one by one. If the whole udon is not in the oil, they want to be cooked evenly, so sometimes turn them over. Some people might wonder such a dish tastes good, but because the noodles contain some salt, it tastes really good. When they turn golden brown color, it's done. Let's dish them up. Deep fried udon is complete. This tastes good by itself, but it is not very satisfying, so I'll make a simple sauce. Prepare some sweet chili sauce. Add some mayonnaise and blend them firmly. The amount is the same between them, but it is okay to change the proportion as you want. Next, I will make the sauce of kamage spicy cut raw udon. Actually, it was one of the most popular dishes at my stores. It tastes really good. Milk, 200 ml. Vegetable-based cream, 200 ml. Next, let's take the spicy cut raw out of the skin. Cut both ends of the cut raw, wrap it and push it using the back of the knife. Heat a pot and add 10 grams of butter into it. After the butter melts, add 25 grams spicy cut raw. Make sure to stop heating when the whole roe is cooked enough and turns white. Add the 200 ml of milk and the same amount of the cream and mix them firmly. If you forgot to turn off the fire, it becomes thick. Be careful. Salt, 1 gram. Teaspoons of kelp tea powder. Caesar salad dressing, 15 grams. After that, add a little pepper and mix them firmly. Then, it's done. Next, fill a pot with water, let it boil, and boil the udon. When it is boiled, dish it up without washing it with water. Heat the sauce you've made just before. After it boils, put it on the noodles. Put dried seaweed and spicy cut roe as much as you want. Pour a little olive oil. It's complete. Yes, they turn out to be good today. It's a quite striking lineup. First, I will try the deep fried udon with the sauce. This is so delicious. The spicy sauce is addictive. I think this goes really well with beer or something. Next, trying the kamage udon. This is beyond description. The combination of the noodles and the sauce, which smells really good, makes fantastic harmony. This is my heaven. Can't stop. For me, who loves spicy cut roe, this is an irresistible dish. Food review is difficult. I can say anything but delicious when I came across something really delicious. This is so easy to make. I want you to cook this and let me hear how you like it. And the best accompaniment of these dishes is asahi super dry. Today, I have to deep fry the udon and it goes perfectly with the beer. I will share this with my family members. My wife loves this spicy cut raw udon so much, I'm sure she'll be happy. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.